There might be times when you have multiple layers in your document and you want to filter them all at once. Sometimes this is just for convenience. For example, if I wanted to add noise to all of these images, I can convert all of the layers into a single smart object and then add the smart filter to all of them at once. This way, if I need to make a change to the smart filter, I only have one smart filter that I need to change, not individual smart filters on every layer. But there's another reason for converting multiple layers and applying a filter to a single smart object, and that's when you want the filter to act as if the layers are merged together so that the filter is applied across layers. Let's take a look. In this case, I have Cactus 2 selected. I'll choose Filter, and then Stylize, and Extrude. For type, I'll select Blocks, and enable Solid Front Faces, and click OK. We can see that the filter's been applied to this one layer, but I would like to apply it to all of the layers so that the filter can be applied across the boundaries and also so that it starts as being centered in the center of the document. So I'll use Command-Z on Mac or Control-Z on Windows to undo that. Then on the Layers panel, I'll select all of the layers, right-click, and choose to convert to Smart Object. Once they're a Smart Object, and I select Filter, and then Stylize and Extrude, I can make the changes that I want to, and this time when I apply the filter, we can see that it's being applied from the center outwards. If I ever wanted to edit the filter settings, I could double-click on the filter, and if I ever need to edit the contents of the smart object, I can double-click. It'll open the contents in its own window. I'll select Cactus 1 and use the Move tool in order to reposition it over to the left. Then I'll select Cactus 2 and reposition it over to the right. When I save this and then close it, it becomes updated and the filter is reapplied. Excellent. It's that easy to apply a non-destructive filter to multiple layers at one time simply by selecting them in the Layers panel and converting them to a smart object.